Christmas and we think of Santa. And here, let's draw one simple Santa. Yes, stick, color this white, red here, red, white, 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 or stick cotton, and your Santa is done. Next, we have the star, one line, another line. Now go from here to here, form a triangle and come down like this. Star done. And let us draw some holly leaves. 1, 2, 3. 3 red circles with holly leaves. And then you have moving on to the snowman. Snowman, where you draw a circle and then draw another circle. First a C-like shape and then close it. And this we're adding, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then you're completing the eyes, the nose, carrot shape, with this. Alright, and this is the snowman. And you have the next one. Okay, let's draw a cat like this. Here, let's change the holly leaves. Then we repeat the holly leaves again. So you want to cut them. Just take a corner of a page, fold them, fold it like this. And draw the holly leaf on green paper like this. And if you are drawing a leaf, just draw it like this, and the fold will be done like this after cutting out. Simple way of cutting out leaves. Fold the paper and draw only on one side and cut it out together. And the next one, Simple way of drawing a cat. And then you have a bird. Draw the letters 1 and